mommy can sit. Okay. That kind of works. Let me see here. Ooh, Alex, you look grown. You look like a grown baby. MONOGRAM Tote. So y'all, can y'all see the details of this bag? But I'm gonna have my water bottles and stuff, so the Alex.
Cause it's different and we're not the same. Don't say me things have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting ties. I don't wanna be a ex.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I teach in fashion, lifestyle, and beauty tips. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. So guys, guess what? Your girl got a new job. All praise be to God. I'm telling you, God, girl, start praying. If you're struggling in this industry right now, I know it's hard for everybody to find a job. Y'all, pray about it. I'm telling you, pray without ceasing. Go on those interviews and then pray afterwards and see. Pray as you walk in, pray as you walk out. But anyway, so since I got a new job, I wanted to treat myself and get me a new work bag. And y'all, guess what kind of work bag I got? Yes. Guess what kind of work bag I got? So, y'all, I am officially... I can open it. But y'all, I'm officially a part of a Glam-Aholic Lifestyle. Y'all, can y'all believe it? Y'all, I've been following Mia Ray for so long, and I don't know why I never got a bag. But I'm gonna tell you why. One, because I already had a tote bag, and I used to use it, my MCM bag, I used that for traveling. But when I got this job, I was like, I'm gonna treat myself, okay? So this is it. It's a Glam-Aholic Tote. Woo! First of all, dust bag A1. This, y'all, do y'all see the G's? Oh my God! Ooh, okay, packaging. Okay, y'all, it got a little rolly thing here. Wow. I like that the leather is kind of flexible. It's not as stiff as some. I could do this better. Okay. So the handles have these styrofoam on it. So y'all, can y'all see the details of this bag? Baby, it's the matte black one. And then on the inside it looks like this. So it has a pocket here, a pocket here, and then the zipper inside is for a laptop. So all you do is open it. Hold on. All you do is open it up and you put your laptop in here, and then it's one other compartment. At least, oh my God, it's one other compartment. But y'all, wow. And the G is also on the zipper. Y'all see that? Wow, Mia. Okay, so I'm gonna try to unmold it a little bit. Also at the bottom, so you can have like a little risers for your bag. Super, super, super cute. Okay. Okay. The straps seem sturdy. Okay, let me put my laptop in. And then, oh, baby. On this inside, it has embossing. Hold on. And it says, see that? By Mia Ray. Wow. Yo, I'm a little excited. I'm excited. Okay, let me go get my laptop and come back. Hold on. Okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Okay, yeah, I'll probably be wearing it this way because I need to have the pockets in my peripheral. Because, girl, I'll be messing up. So. Wait. Uh-oh. Oh, Lord, y'all. Y'all, my laptop doesn't fit in here. Oh, shoot. Let me see. Let me try it on the outside. Okay. So the laptop will fit on the outside portion. So yeah. Oh, y'all, I'm a little disappointed because I thought it was going to fit my laptop in the zipper part. But it don't matter. I'll just put, like, my chargers. Y'all know we need a laptop charger. Think all the electronics in the zipper part. And then the rest will just be for my other stuff. But yeah, y'all. Dun, 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 dun. This is my quote-unquote new work bag. Yes. Okay, y'all, so also too, when you get a new authentic kind of leather bag, you need to kind of shape it. I don't know if you all know, but even the Louis Vuitton bags, when they come, they're like folded up, and then they unfold them and kind of bloom them for you. So with this bag, I'm gonna put the dust bag in here, and I'm also gonna put some of the styrofoam just so it can hold its shape. Because at the moment, I don't know if y'all can see on this back side. Okay, as the back side, you can see that it has like a crease. So I'm just gonna fluff it out. So when I take it on Tuesday, it can be already stretched out and firm. You see, that's why you need to keep your foam and stuff to kind of shape your bag. So you see, like here, the bag goes like this. So I'm gonna put the packaging. But y'all, you see how it kind of unbuckles it? So you just gotta leave it for a little bit, okay? And this is the Glam-Aholic dust bag. The importance of this is when I'm not using it, it keeps the leather from getting damaged by the sun, like fading too quickly. No dust or marks going to be on it, and you can put it in your closet. Right here is like a little tie. I love that it's pink. It's like a drawstring type of bag. So when you put it in there, it's basically like this. So go in your closet just like that. And you just preserve the bag. And also I would keep the packaging in here to keep its shape. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited. It's super, super cute. It's super chic. It's not too much for work. I'm really excited. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like more type of these what's in my bag type of videos, and I'll see you on the next one. And again, y'all, I know this is a hard season. A lot of us are struggling, but y'all, prayer really works. I've been struggling to find a job. I knew once I went on maternity leave that I wanted to leave my company, but y'all, it's been a while. So that was like how long has it been? He's almost 2. He's almost 2. But God will give you what you need on time. And I'm very grateful for my new position. And yeah, let's get for this workwear content. I'm so excited to share with y'all. Okay, bye guys. I'm a Mia Ray girl. Ooh, I'm a Glam-Aholic.